Even you. Ow. Fresh fed. Hey.
Luqale kahle usuku lokuqala lokufunda kubafundi baka grade 1 esikoleni iThinolo Primary School. Iningi labafundi bebemagange ukuqala ukufunda osukwini lwabo lokuqala.
Imutho akir. And then this one sad. Okay, and this one mautu. Okay, and then this one munwana. Exactly.
Kodwa ke kwabanye kuba nzima ukwamukela ukuthi le sekuzoba impilo yabo yansuku zonke.
Skala kaloku baba, skala. Look jong mama. Look at Mowgli. What is this? Look at this.
Ungqongqoshe wezemfundo uhlabeke umxhwele ngamalungiselelo enziwe isikole uqinisekisa ukuthi zithi zivulwa nje kube kufundwa.
This is their very first day at school. These are the grade R's who are here for the first time, and today they are in class on time and they're ready to get started with the work.
Ibiphuma phezulu injabulo kubazali beingane ebeziyoqala esikoleni namhlanje.
I'm so glad to hore ke motlise mo Thenolo sekolo se se rutang sekolo se se clean se leng hore principal a teng o rata le batsadi.
Ungqongqoshe uthi ukhathazekile ngezikole ezingakwazanga ukuthi zivule eLimpopo ngenxa yemvula.
We have said to the schools and to the school principals that they need to prioritize learner safety, and if they need to essentially not open schools today, then we would rather not open schools than jeopardize the safety of the learners.
Isifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal sona sinenkinga yokungazitholi ngesikhathi izincwadi zokufunda.
I remain concerned about the situation in KwaZulu-Natal around particularly the learning materials, and so the Deputy Minister is down there to assess the situation.
Ungqongqoshe ufisele bonke abafundi unyaka omuhle wokufunda.